Unlock instant access to websites, exclusive deals, and so much more with just a simple scan. Let's dive into how to effortlessly scan QR codes using your iPhone. First, the easiest way to scan is using your built-in camera app. Locate the camera icon on your home screen. It looks like a camera lens. Now, open the camera app and simply point your iPhone's camera at the QR code. Make sure the QR code is visible and within the frame. You don't even need to take a picture. Almost instantly, a notification banner will pop up at the top of your screen. This banner contains the information encoded in the QR code, typically a website link. Tap the notification, and your iPhone will automatically open the link in your default web browser, usually Safari. That's it. You've successfully scanned the QR code and accessed its content. Alternatively, you can use the dedicated QR code scanner in Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. If you don't see the QR code scanner icon, you may need to add it in Settings. To add the QR code reader to your Control Center, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Control Center. Here, find the QR code reader option under More Controls, and tap the plus symbol next to it. This will add the QR code reader to your Control Center. Now, when you open Control Center, you'll see the QR code reader icon. Tap it. This opens a dedicated QR code scanning interface. Point your camera at the QR code, and the information will appear just like it did with the camera app. It's that simple. And that's all there is to it. Two super quick and easy ways to scan QR codes on your iPhone. Now go forth and unlock a world of information at your fingertips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips.